down the street now and try to see the route that it takes me to get to the bus stop. It's still snowing. Snow's probably a good 5 feet deep in the middle of the street. Just to give you an idea how big that drift is right there. It's almost up to the car level. Not only is it treacherous going to the bus stop, but it's impossible to get across the street. This is the middle of the street. Deep the snow is in the street. Car here is buried. Walking is almost impossible. This could be a problem tomorrow morning. This right here, you're just basically running into a wall of snow. Near the bus stop, but I'm standing almost knee deep. This is the middle of Mercy Street here. This is where I get the bus. As you can see, there's not even a path to actually get into the street to get on the bus. This is the sidewalk leading up to the bus. Wow. Screen here. This is the view down Mercy Street. What I'm showing is actually middle of the street. The snow's about a good 3 or 4 feet deep in the street. Some parts it's even 5 foot deep with the drifting. the other side of the street from my house. This is the street here. You see the snow there is almost at level with the car. Just buried. Street is with the wind current. This side of the street, all the snow blows to the other side of the street where I live, so we get buried with snow on my side of the street. These guys have very little on their sidewalk. See how deep the snow is? Drifting here is incredible how deep it is. Drift there is above the hood of the car, which is buried. This person actually laid salt down so it's clear. I actually tried to shovel a path from my house to get on this side of the street since there's less drifting on this side. This is me right here. All right.
Man, that's nasty.
Oh my God.
I just wanted to check to see if it's still snowing. I'll talk to you later.
It's still coming down.
I know. What's going to end?